Oh my goodness. That noise. Oh my goodness. That noise. It's lighter at night, but now in the morning, they've really cranked it up. It is just the bugs in the trees, like the cicadas or locusts or something, but they're loud. Alright, so the plan for today is, there is no plan other than not fall down these steps. Gonna walk around a little bit, see what I can find, and maybe look into booking an island trip tomorrow. Check out the beaches here, wander around and see what happens. Let's look at Karon Beach already this morning. It is just now 9 a.m. Nice and shady right here, and it's still pretty cool with a good breeze blowing. I think I'm going to put the drone up and go check that out back there. See if I can get some pictures. Smell the incense at the altar there, or the offerings from all the way across the street here. I'm more than a little bit surprised at the lack of food vendors, even though it's fairly late in the morning. I saw tons last night when I walked through Kata that were doing roti. I haven't tried any yet. I've been wanting to try it. I just saw a little stand, but it wasn't open, so maybe I'm just headed in the wrong direction. I'm headed back, I'm headed toward Patong now instead of toward Kata, so we'll see what I can walk away with, but definitely gonna need some water and some fruit or something here shortly. They may look like the Baht buses in Pattaya, but they are taxis here. So it's not a 10 baht ride. You take one of these little trucks with all the fancy neon lights, or LED lights probably these days, and music and things in the back. They're taxis. You negotiate with the taxi driver the price, before you get in. Definitely don't take one without knowing what you're going to pay first. Let's do some quick thoughts on Thailand so far. It's been about, I don't even know, 7 nights I've been here now. I've seen Jom Tien, I've seen Pattaya, I've seen just a little bit of Karon Beach area of Phuket. First thought, I will definitely never be cold here, and we know that's the #1 priority. Second thought, the food is incredible. I haven't had any bad food yet. It's super affordable. The flavors are everywhere. And it's funny, every time I order something spicy, they always do a double take and ask me if I'm sure I really want Thai spicy. But I haven't had anything that's been too hot to eat yet, so that's not bad, but there's probably not a whole lot that's too hot for me to eat. It is so peaceful. It is so beautiful here and warm, and the breeze is amazing. Thailand is incredible. Highly recommend it, even if it's for vacation. But got another week to go, so I will keep exploring and keep figuring out whether or not Thailand stays on the list, and if it does, what number it ends up out of the final 5. Well, I've made my way to the Karon night market, which doesn't do you any good at 10 o'clock in the morning. But there is hope. There is one vendor, and it looks like a couple of little stalls down there are open too, so breakfast may be at hand. Okay, well, the market was a bust, so we're gonna rely on Old Faithful. You can probably spot the 7-Eleven sign in the distance there. Definitely time for some water. Maybe I'll get a breakfast sandwich. So I have officially been converted. Before I came here, I did not like cold coffee of any kind. That little coffee shop was nice. Had a croissant there and a cold coffee, which is pretty refreshing. It actually tastes pretty good down here, so maybe that's the key. And of course, as soon as I leave, I see a Roti stand that is open. Oh well, maybe I'll get one for lunch. Things start to come to life as you get closer to noon around here. People out and about starting to eat, more traffic, beach is filling up. Roti per recommendation. Okay, finally got that. Go down and find a spot to sit and see what it tastes like. Of course, I'm just now getting to the beach and I feel sprinkles hitting me in the head, but Wet's wet, right? It's Songkran. I'm not gonna worry about some rain. Doesn't look like there's a storm, probably just a passing shower. Get down here and eat, and then get in some of that water. That's good. Definitely tastes like banana pancakes. It's so warm. I wish the sun was out. It would make it look more clear. Get the full effect of how clear the water is once we get past where the waves are breaking. That one hit right where you don't want it to. Nothing like a beach beer and some giant Ritz crackers.